read them.
Bring a bucket.
Should I say the name of the Father, the Son, and the
Oh! Okay. Now we're talking. All right. Wait, there's more. There's more. That was awesome.